CJUS261, Unit 3 Discussion Board, Ethics and Organizational Strategies. This one's due Tuesday, September 3rd. Read the fact pattern. We have a warden who is turning a blind eye to the crime of rape that is occurring in his correctional facility. That is a huge problem. What do you think are the ethical issues involved in inmate sexual activity, and what about cases of rape? Rape is a crime, so there's a huge ethical issue there. What are the possible consequences of not addressing these issues? You're allowing a crime of rape, a violent crime, to occur in a correctional institution. And should correctional facilities be required to try to prevent rapes from occurring? Absolutely, they should prevent the crime of rape from occurring. Unit 3 individual project is due Wednesday, September 4th, worth 100 points. Research and identify 2 to 3 types of major complaints often filed against correctional officers for misconduct. Research how various correctional agencies handle these complaints and identify training methods and whether or not they work. So pretty straightforward with that, and you want to read that fact pattern on Unit 3 IP and answer that. So if you have any questions, reach out to us, and thank you and have a great day.